Yeah, man, this is Public Report, and guess what? As usual, thanks for the support, you know what I mean, continuously. Alright, me I put episode 1 and episode 2 of Barrel Mashup Family, alright? So just to put it in one place, because some people don't like to watch episode 1 and episode 2 somewhere else and then can't find it. You understand me? I say, so I put it one place for you can find it. And as usual, big up to my family members who always support me continuously. Alright, this is Public Report. Watch it, enjoy it. Just do the right thing. Like, share, comment. Alright? What? Asleep, you asleep?
I see me don't sleep, but me hear a door pull, so me get up.
2 o'clock.
What time?
2 o'clock.
So long me asleep, I go to the supermarket and come back and see them.
You got some market? I want to come see the black bag them in the corner. I wonder where they come from. A black bag. Put on. I tired saying nobody.
Heap a black bag, right now. You talk about heap a black bag. Babes, honestly, me go to the supermarket and me I tell her say, the money where you give me, the money for clothes. Me not even get to buy all of me kind of in a meat market. Me have to go. Me feel like me go have to make my sister pack one barrel. Either 1 or 2 barrel and send come here, cause it rough, you know. Be rough.
But you know what's about barrel?
It no matter.
And US you talk about now, you know?
It would have still cheaper.
How it done cheaper?
It still have a cheaper be if you pack it barrel, me I tell her, because right now with things them are there, you know, then we expensive, me I tell you. At least we can get rice and oil and something in a bulk, and it will be way cheaper.
So what barrel you pack? You want to do? Because that sounds like you have to pack one with pure rice and flour and everything, and then one
just
tin
food stuff and tin stuff and something. You can get whole heap, what you call it? The bean them and something, the pork and beans and something.
Yeah. You have to say bean. You couldn't say anything else.
Mixed vegetable and something, we get them. Yeah, me asking because one day I talk to somebody and them and say, like, they have somewhere where they can go and get, you know, like get the things them, the things them and something, yes. Then we can get them all free and something. So me don't know, me, you know, my sister stay, she kinda hide it tight, you know, so you probably not go, you know, if you go get them and something. But me go ask her because it's rough, I mean, know so she will help me too. She will help me, man, to
get the barrel.
Yes, for send.
But once you clear barrel now, that's the problem.
You know, got
well, for my brother, him have a car where I have open back still, maybe I think can copy when time.
Me not worry about that. That at least when the barrel come, we come. What you think?
I think you can go on if that's the case.
Me have to go send. Me have to go. Me have to talk to my sister and make what me say.
So when you think about this
first, you know, probably by next 3 to 4 weeks.
Backstage.
If we can work.
But that's just mountain, right?
It no matter, babes. It no matter. It things ain't way too expensive here. Life hard, you know, you know, sister, life hard.
Yes,
then the things that me buy by next week, they ain't done.
But you have to take time.
Done.
Alright, here I go on. See if you do get the barrel, And you get the oil and it's sitting there, you have the top fry with so much oil. Cause
Me
big
know.
oil you put in your pot. Alright, now I see one right now that oil in your pot. You don't know where you gonna use for cause you know this man will fry 3 egg
You know
and
say. You
too
know say
much
I
oil
get
you
it, I
want.
get when I pot.
I get way.
I get it
Every
when I
morning
pot.
you get way.
Babes on every man, you're too wicked man. You know what me go do? It's when me dey look about egg for you again, me go use water.
No,
And
I
do
boil
it.
that.
Yes.
But you boil it.
No, me go put little water in a pot and make the water hot and then mash the egg and turn it
I
and
burn
use
you
it.
and burn up yourself. I'm not this
No,
chat
me go
right
use
now.
the water. I tell them I use the water. The water can work with it. If you stop consume too much oil
Let's
to
get back
say.
to reality. Call your sister and find out if that can go on.
Me
But
call her
first
in
thing.
there working now. After 2, me call her.
Try call her, man. I see me
You
can hold
come
a show.
forward.
Yeah?
Yeah, me call her and ask her.
See my phone, the internet not pretty fine. Use it.
You must be alright.
Hello.
Hey, Yannick.
What happened?
What going sis? Did you work?
Yeah.
Sorry for call up on your work. But me there girl and sitting on me and say, boy, God no. We your time hard and they sitting there, girl. Me have to call. Like, I got to supermarket a while ago. And he's sitting there dear out your girl. And to me know say you did and sitting and you know, so me I say, me I call her and tell her say, me go want you pack one barrel for me, you know.
Hey, girl, I want one barrel. You can't pack one barrel for you, man. Just write a list of things you want and then we'll deal with it from right there. And you will get a barrel in about 2 to 4 weeks time.
Okay.
So,
Me I go do it. Me I do it, man. God know. Me stress out and sitting. But when I left work, you call me and sit. Me alright with things I'm sitting and tell you. And you just, you see me, what short when I come from work, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, alright sis. Love you so much.
Alright, love you, my girl.
Yeah, alright. You know, so my sister we send you know. For my sister that in a man. No. Jaja God. Babes! Babe!
You're so good.
Oh God, girl.
How
Me have to run come down the stairs.
You look tired. Come take that seat there. Take that there.
Oh. Oh Jesus. Oh
How
God,
you
God,
look
you're
happy,
good.
So. How are you in Lato?
Why sis me not tell you? Tell me feel right now, me feel like me winning lotto.
I lie. Jesus.
Oh God, me say
Hurry up
everything.
and give me this story. Hurry up and give me.
Every day when me talk to God, you know, and God answer me prayer and I change even you know. Me say, my sister, God know, Chermina. God love you, you know.
Me know, so God love you, man. I love you.
God,
Oh, hurry up. No, tell me how.
me say,
Hurry up and tell me.
me just I tell me upstairs a while ago and say, come I go to supermarket today and me come back and you know things are expensive and see, you know.
If they dear out here.
And me call Yannick and tell Yannick say, I want one barrel. Ask me if he can pack one barrel for me and sit and he say yes, he can pack a barrel and sit. So me say, yes, God love me. And I say, me I come check. He said, Cherry, me have to come check and tell her and sit because you know any little thing if I know we can, you know, make up and buy some things and sit. If I even in a cheap wholesale place them over there and sit, you know, and make them pack one barrel and sit and come. That make up your face, so man. Yeah, make up your face, so far.
A foreign chide. Why we have to make up and send money go gear?
No, man, you know, saying we send things come on. Remember saying having youth to you know, say, you know, we send things coming
yeah,
about
me just
youth.
say. For me and your youth born in Jamaica. For your youth born over there. Then they get social security, them a get this, them a get that, them a get tira what's sitting at. All kind of that, all kind of. Look here.
No, man, look at
we
no
have
watch
them the
that.
opportunity there, you know.
Yes, me understand.
So
But
you know, she no need that nothing. And you know, this is a rich man she married. Look here.
sure, me now I can afford so.
No, but that's true. Why should they find out me and you now? I fi go struggle and hustle.
Don't worry about that, man.
Fi
No
money, fi send go gear out of a foreign. Fi send money come.
No, man, me did just ask her say if he can pack it back. He willing to pack it back and
So
come in.
we fi send money fi come.
No, and me I said
fi
to you,
come make
say,
she buy sitting fi send come give away.
and me I tell you know, me I put it to you because me supposed to do that one. Any look on niceness. You know, I said,
Wait there,
so
hold
me I
on,
say,
hold on there, Marty. So she never tell us say we fi make up and send money come give her. Eh? You see enough? You see enough of that me no like with you.
No, but you know say things not really so bright and beautiful all the time. Me just a say.
You see enough, you go and
Me
like you
just
have
a
money
say.
all the while. But you can go and make me think say a lot of you win. So me and you know if you make up, you little change you have. Send girlfriend go.
What wrong with it?
And then when me and you put money together now and sit and send go give me take some of my money and buy
He
right.
nah do that. You know, say all the while he send things come. Because see shoes and me have on and she send it come. He nah do that, man.
And then you know buy the amount
Me
of
not happy, man.
And then he come buy a little bit of sitting, send come give me and buy the right amount of sitting. Look more when
Alright.
he come. Hello, so hold on there. The other rest of ginger ration them when in with family. You not tell them about this a barrel argument here. Because the whole of them are going to come line up, you know.
No,
After me
just,
and you alone put money together and
I
barrel go
just
come.
be me tell her. Say, nah, me
You
say,
chat too much. Me know you for a long time. You're my sister. And let me tell you something. Anyhow, me put no money together and give you gear. And she pack no barrel send come down here. And me you forget the same amount of sitting, but that take more than me.
No, but me must say, you know, say me a plan say, I would have you. You would have go clear barrel, you know, because if it be they say, you know, saying brother have one of the back part.
So me alone have find money to go clear barrel.
No, me not. Try me not. What wrong with you? And what's up?
Cause I know you first.
He barrel not even start pocket and a problem already. Oh, you so problematic, Jamina?
Yes. Me have a problem. Me have a turn problem child right now before you come. Cause me know so when he come, you before you even reach a Jamaica, you tell you whole of the rest of idiot cousins them and then run come away and come back.
Jamina, nothing like that. Me the pocket back, me and your sister. And
no, me know you're kind and you will tell me how you're not
getting. They not get none.
Everybody you take out and
yes, but they not get none.
That's why
they not go get none because me know say, you see, cause I living in Jamaica. Let me tell you something, you know, mercy and God, you know, make me get much things in a supermarket today, you know. Because not even me chat, me couldn't buy all the things, you know.
So you get that so day, you man for supermarket there? You give your man bun?
No, remember say, give me money and sit and me go to supermarket. What kind of bun? You crazy?
You give your man bun with the man we want in supermarket?
All when me have money for you, come in and do that.
Oh.
I would never do such
thing. I'm not telling my brother-in-law would that tell him.
Listen, remember say being around with film look at this up, you know. I mean do that. You know me, say me nah do that.
Anyway,
so
I do what me did me. As soon as me get one money, me I go give you and it will make up and you send go give her.
Yes. That sound good.
But I want enough nice sitting and I want enough food. Let me tell you all what I want. I can't go tell you everything. But when you make the list and they send it go gear, me I go send my list to your phone and then you send put it on your and
oh you know saying tell me to send a list.
But me and family know idiot me and send money go gear me want tell her what me want.
Yes, you're smart. Remember so I mean know we have good brain. Confirmation. Yes, you say me to send a list. So me go send a list to go give him and send. So you just tell me what you want. Make sure say he come up with the money them, your money them in our thing.
What's the name again? What's something name again? I remember something what me like eat and your name off you never give me none.
What? Grape jelly?
Pancake. And the pancake syrup, you must make sure you put that in there.
No. Don't say pancake syrup. Say maple syrup.
It's the maple one I need. I could never want another brand.
Say maple syrup.
Maple.
Maple syrup.
Maple. What I want do you want?
Hi, baby. Alright. Come give me one hug now, you stay, sir. Why I can't
Me
get no
have you up,
present?
me have you up, me have you up from last night, me have you up.
It's not my fault, but you know, me did tired and me come quickly. That's what I'm saying.
What?
Yeah,
You know, say me pregnant. Can me get up and have what you mean can't? You act like I say you have to have sexual intercourse with your woman 1 million times to get and that we do no man.
That even
How
5
much?
seconds.
Second. 5 seconds. Let me tell you something. I know 1 million times you have to have sex with a woman to get pregnant. One little time. And it no matter how long you go, from the woman for breathing, go breathe.
No, never come out.
The egg them did open. Me fallopian tubes free.
But and I saw you go, Chermina. I saw you go.
How you go, Squash? Tell me. Squash me tell you to use protection. It look like when time me set in a one different position, you take off it. And that with you.
And that really did go on still, you know. But watch out now. By the time I think about this thing this week, and by the time I win the race.
I be ever me have a morning, you know. So you need to give me money for God doctor. I don't talk.
But I know must that I can't still feel bad because you
Feel bad?
maybe had a bad experience last night.
Look here, I this my family them. You, I this my family them. You know say any of my sister hear about you, you know. You know say she don't like you from man, you know, Mert, you know, like you don't tall. I the one who the overseas did like you, Mert, you know, like you. And you know, me tell her say this, what you want to know? Eh? Bad feelings in our family? What you mean bad feelings? Me tell her say me have bad feelings. I no can make some tea drink. Me say me dey vomit from man and me need money for God doctor. And me know when me a breathe. How me feel? Cause me a no idiot.
No must be there. As me tell you say nothing never there come out of my back.
After me tell her say me egg them did open me, I tell me say, hey Jesus, come down. What you say? What your style was? You see nobody in my family look like a eunuch to you? Eh? And that you come there with me for you come disrespect me and insult me?
I would have never do that. I would have never do that, Chermina. I would have never do that, baby. A long time me here talking.
Wait till when time me see my sister.
You don't know.
Let me go, because you always know want me to tell him what you do.
We don't have to do that. What?
You always know want me to tell my
But you
sister
don't
what you
have to
do
tell her,
and what
you
you
don't have
say
to
to
tell
me.
her
What
nothing.
make her my sister?
No, but I know everything she will know. And everything she will know.
Well, stop it chatting. You chat too much because you tell me some things I don't like for a long time. And you know so my sister don't like you.
What you eat today?
You see, the chicken back where you left in the fridge.
Oh.
I be a bone de pan me down here. I'm nothing from morning about your all.
So you say chicken back me bang on me pani? I go prepare. I go do about something for you. What you want to eat? Tell me what you want to eat.
Yeah,
Just
so you hear
tell
me
me.
say me I go talk to my sister about you about 1 more feet. You're going like you used to give me nothing for me a man time before you go up on road. I go with your dirty friend them. And for me tell you someone want sitting feet this man, you take yourself and go, must go I go, must go
Work.
football.
No,
Out of football. Where they have the football?
I work, we go.
How you sitting him out of ball ground and play football?
No.
And then come back now. So me if you go look about sitting give you my sister say she gone cook, so me go get dinner up there.
I mean, I go cook for you.
You don't want nothing from you again to the rest of the day. One other day, not today. My sister will give me food. Matter of fact, me tell you something. Although my sister say me not to tell you, cause you see you, and everything me tell you not tell what my sister you know, cause you're not no friend, but you go to her, go to like a dirty friend them, and you see my sister, you see her man, and few friend them a friend, and then chatty, so they must tell about my sister man, and my sister a fear back and come tell me, and me go tell you and bust up your face.
Everybody's just around her been chatty.
Let me tell you something. My sister overseas, I go send barrel for we.
I lie.
You ready? You want to sit now, not sure?
Me no mean it another way. Like, me excited for you. Like, me glad say,
so you don't want me to tell her, because you ready? Where you want
me glad
say?
say.
Your regular habit that. What me to tell my sister?
Me glad say Barrel I come for you, baby. Are you me happy fine, you know? All of this joy we see on my face, you know. Cause me know say she now got she my friend. And me
So
say
you sure to you when you tell me about, you know, when me did say
she knows me still wear size 10.5, man. Me know that, and I just squeeze in 2 underpants and 2 marine and yeah. Can you want me look good for you, baby?
Who? You have my sister there? Why she should have sent clothes come give for me, man, before you go walk? and buy clothes give me. You make my sister fi send clothes from Kuyo. If
No,
my
but-
sister ever hear you with the out here,
No,
you
but
hear.
nobody tell her. Nobody tell her she's
Me I tell
coming
Murty,
up.
me I tell
No,
Murty.
but you.
Cause see your breed me not want me tell me sister, my sister.
Oh,
Oh, my sister fi no know.
Alright, we're gonna keep it picking. We're gonna keep it picking. Oh, you better tell her.
You think me never hear what you're saying in your mind? Me hear what you're saying in your mind. You're the plan for me that show the belly, but the blood of Jesus against your stupid thoughts them when your dirty stinking brain. If my sister ever hear say you're the thinking in your mind, say, if you can't tell me, say, if that's what our niece or our nephew, you will find out what she do to you. She that tell me if you run you out here.
We're gonna carry the bikini.
We I go carry or me I go carry. And me and you pregnant? You're damn right. And me and you go carry. Because it's where we are going in a labor room. And you go feel it here.
Me not gonna do that with you.
Mm.
Me make you hold my hand.
Hey, let me tell you something. You see how with my baby born? Me a send my baby overseas and you not see him.
Huh?
Whether him or she, you not go see it.
So.
Because you don't know good father.
But wait.
You don't know good father.
Hold on, Charmina.
If you not mind me, you go mind. Me don't know how me so careless make you dirty drunk or come with me. Right now, me you left.
Me don't know either. But watch you now. How when the barrel come?
Me no want see it there. Me no want left you. See the barrel there, pan barrel. I
No.
see your barrel.
I feel have you. But me have to think about you, baby. Me have to make sure. See, now we have you on the way.
So
me
me
have to
fi
think
tell
about the
my
barrel
sister.
work. So
Eh.
I go pull for bikini clothes in it. Not a whole heap, but bikini clothes in the bottom part. And then we just put it whole for food stuff. And clothes. See, how we want. Say hello for me, so.
So me fi tell my sister. Fi send clothes come give you fig you go out the road go look next girl.
Me not do that.
You know how long me did all left you?
Why you there?
Me did all left you before you breed me.
Don't breathe.
But true me have sense. Me stay with you. Now me breed. Me nobody want you go on. Cause maybe you're not even feel pick me neither.
But on the side, what?
That me say. You're deaf. Maybe I know you're a pitney. Me did have sitting for tell you for a long time. And me did have keep you a secret. Me not even want chat.
You know, say, you really take liberty because it's barely a come. I
I know.
really say I move.
I know true no barrel they come. Me I want you did that talk long time. When I did this, me and gone turn your friend them yard. So me and the youth when they talk. Maybe I ain't breed me and I not happy you. So go on and not feel pick me.
Why you talk to me now, Chermina? Cause this will look good.
Go on where you go. I 3 years say me I go get barrel now you come chat about pick me and this and that.
And that's why I'm there because me live yourself.
Leave your son left bony chicken back in the fridge me yam. Look here, go on. You come in, go and go bed now, because I smell you, you're frownsy.
Say me is a hard
And
working
nobody go
mechanic.
shit in the toilet and left if you make no skid mark for me clean out. You're too nasty. Me can't take it tired man them, Father God. Me tired of the nasty man them. Look here. You better you come out of my life. God no, me can't take it no more. No, me a breed and me get miserable. Worse how me did miserable. Come no know you breed
Nobody
me
go
for
go
your
on with the
idiot,
mood
you.
swings. Nobody go get no mood swings. They're too early in this pregnancy. Yeah. Just hear me out. Just relax yourself. Calm down. And later on, we call your sister and we go tell her what I want to put in my barrel. Alright?
Gosh, me can answer one question?
Alright?
Me can answer one question? You know, it's no dog out the road for go breed. Where you come breed me for? You better you go on in and make me cuss out here today, you hear? Go on here, chat to me too long and I'm tired of you now. Not looking at my face. Go along about your business. Before me take my key from you. I think you help me pay no rent in this. And my sister they give me money for pay for rent for you come sleep in the big and dirty and worthless. I me so damn fool but me come make you breed me. Go on and not chat to me. Dirty man.
I big barrel them though.
Yeah, not even answer you. Yeah, mangas.
Hard but
Nah, work out.
man, I get it man.
But even though you're my brother, you know, we still have to get to work them properly and start out effectively because we want to get paid. Only way we can get paid if we don't work them.
Sick man, no watch your face man.
It's a waste of time. How long are there?
Yeah, me there a good look at time I try fix up this, you know, because the man say a Friday you want it, you know.
Yeah, that's what we have to do that to start it out.
So you did it with?
Well, I'm there. You know, so for my sister talk, I say my sister. I must my sister to Rockstone. For me woman, I talk one thing and I come tell me about the fact say, you want get barrel. want to bring down barrel for organize thing, because it's a grocery. Grocery kind of expensive. So I don't know if she will come and contact to your woman. I don't see her. She will contact to her.
You know, say, my woman tell me, say, sister over so I send some barrel come for you.
Yeah, Yannick, if you organize it, but how much you tell about it?
She not really give me much info, you know, because right away he start cuss me and tell me say that's all I want him for barrel. And
I try me now, always at it, man.
Why I don't know I'm to try me now? Because she'll tell me say she pregnant and...
Eh? I don't know if I tell you congratulations or what, but yeah.
I said, but I'm not sure about that pregnancy, brother, and not even 5 seconds. Not even 5 seconds, me I tell you, me not lie to you as God there. Not even 5 seconds. Because I did tired the day when the early morning when time he link me. And I just say, oh, alright, I'm going to go on as I go on so I come off. And he's saying pregnant, so I'm
and I only time when you can recall, say, you went actually.
Nothing before that. Nothing at all.
I never trick you up to. Some tricks. Because you know saying tricky for already, you know.
Well, you could have used that to get more stuff from foreign too, you know.
Oh.
You could have got tell his sister say how me breed him and make him get more sitting. But he look like he did vex. So I don't know if he really vex. But I don't know which one to believe, you know. But I'm glad the barrel them come still. Cause yeah man, a long time I wear too far out with you don't know time barrel coming no man shy. Man sharp a road you know man.
Hello?
Yeah, Yanni, all gone. Me I call her back, sis, about it. Man, how far you there with the barrel, them now?
Girl, you know, so I'm soon finish what the barrel and I'm soon finish.
Alright, alright, me go want you to send in a Chermina name.
Why me have to send a Chermina name?
God. I don't know, you know, but you know, say true, me did beat up that the boy that way there and sit now. Me did figure out what and sit now, me no go so. I don't know if warrant out for me or so. Me don't really want go and then my name go in a system and then sit. You know me kinda afraid to look away, so me just better if I just send in a film name and sit now when he go in collect, you know. I will share what we share and sit me.
Okay, when you send off, you do everything on the paperwork, then you just send everything, so you get to go collect it.
Okay.
You send you all like paper something and then you go collect it.
Send me, because you know, say she love losing information, you know, and sit, you know, so. Yeah. Alright, me girl, know yourself. Me ask me say me I call her for check on you and sit, you know. And sit so. Anytime you do it, all you do is just say you just smash up here and make me know and sit. So just go on.
Before finish, man, when I finish, me just do send everything for your WhatsApp and make you do it.
So where boys say not go on with me here in the background?
In there, I've run bike.
Oh. Alright, later look how me call you and sit because see me there and be just come in and sit. So me go just if I not me call you look more like how you're not there work and sit me here just show you up and me chat to him, you see me? But make you know say me love him here.
Alright, then take care.
Alright, sis, love you.
Yeah, you can talk to her?
Yes.
Okay. So how far she reach now?
Me saying soon done. Me not too rush. Me saying soon done, and as you know, say a 2 barrel, but I guess I'm gonna send 1 first.
Yeah. I mean, I tell you, send you the money for give organize it, but when you go it's active. But what you need to do now is confirm up with Chermina and make sure know so she can collect it, because you know she'll always last team documents them, you know, input them and all these things. So she have to get into, you know what I mean?
You
into
know,
the
me
motion.
talk to him about it already still and things.
You talk to him. But I must say, you know, how she done already. Confirm up with her because she don't really have much. You know, I want to say sense.
Me know.
I think brain really up there.
But she alright, What do you mean your brain really up there? And smart. The true seem so you think you're not smart. Me tell her sitting you're smart girl lad. Me tell her that I'm smart. Me know anytime he might tell me about the day me go down there, me a reason with him and I say him about make sure you say things and share even very.
That me a talk about no problem. That me a talk about, but it's all good. But here now, you cook food on it.
Food. As I come here, they talk about
Hungry,
food.
mama. Hungry. You know how hard it is for their work? Ask
Me
my
don't
brother
think.
him be attitude ma give me from there.
Sure.
Me don't know. Like him left me yard hungry like him man now deal with him good dust like always. Kind of try me and no sense, you know. So sometimes when you get in yard and me feel say try me and him now going come up and walk with him dirty stinking attitude. If you know himself, man. Hungry man. So you say that. Food on it. Is that I'm gonna share, don't worry yourself, man. Food on it.
Me need to make it vegetable. You come and you just come straight in the room before you go in the kitchen and go look and see.
I hear me here on the phone,
Me
you
have
know,
veggie and you fast.
none of that.
You not even say good evening. You did say good evening.
You dep on your phone, so me
You
have to
come
sing
here
and
and even
wait.
say
Good
evening.
evening, honey. Good evening, baby.
But I want it, man. But anyways, if food in the kitchen, me I got a vegetable for make. I can just cut up
No
some
worry, no
lettuce.
vegetable. Me alright. Me just need more in there. I don't play that rice.
Rice and peas me cook.
Alright, thank you. Later.
Yeah. So I just said that yeah, man, me just as me tell you, so me just well want if we can come through and sit down. You know, make sure so when they come and you ready for clear, try me not make sure so you can't find your ID. Cause your woman loves you, you know with this thing, you know with that day.
My
How will
sister,
this message me?
no answer them. Answer them, they too wicked. They love text people phone. I send please call me phone and go buy credit.
You
Here
know,
ya.
easy, you love people business. And no, please call me, a counselor text me.
Oh,
It's not easy, want me write one speech for him.
okay. Anyway, what I did have to tell us now is that like how the everything gone through and rare blah blah. You talk about ID. Don't worry about my ID. My ID is safe. I put it down in my purse, so anyway, I go make it my purse. The point is, I have my money for give. To help make up for clear the barrel.
Oh, well, but this I want more money. 10,000. Me have to me to steal. Me the confusion come like, yeah, read my mind, can me come.
Let me see it. You're too wicked. Let me see it. Let me see it.
No, you love money too much.
Let me
This
see.
not probably I got one piece of me have money, man. Try me now what wrong with you.
So
Me
you
come
want
for
more
show
money?
you if make you know say you ready. Me no know
Them a
it.
charge people so much money for clear one liquor barrel.
Remember say a whole heap of things, you know. And he did I say at 2 barrel, you know, but he must send one first.
Yeah, but them
No,
me not
send
tell no
one
lie. Them
first.
a charge too much money.
But we don't know how much we have to just go and put on money.
No, them
Remember say
two
we don't
thief.
know.
Me can't take it people. Them a thief with.
The last time I got clear barrel, it was 1993. No,
Yeah.
1998.
That means must
Me
that
go clear
means say
barrel.
must $500 you did pay for that to clear that barrel there. The last time me go clear barrel, it's about 2 months ago. But I never feel me, so me never tell you. I just want lady when ask me for collect if fear in my name.
So you get things out of
No, you no give me nothing. You no give me
barrel.
nothing. That's why me and her no talk. She no give me nothing out there. And me go collect it barrel them.
Sure, me know you stay.
No,
You
listen.
get sitting.
You no give me nothing out there. That's why me no chat to her. And me go collect it barrel them. You know how much the people them charge me for collect one eye barrel?
How much?
20,000 to collect one.
Mm-hmm.
And a 5 barrel me collect. And you can imagine.
Well,
the woman
already.
tell me one heap of lie all the sick them in the barrel and a fear one. I feel whole her gingeration them and no give me nothing at all. And they come ask me if me want one bag juice.
Sure, me now. Make sure you say no lie, tell me now.
And I lie me that.
Listen me. You see, every money we spend, remember say we have to keep record because you see in a year, me have to for tax return, I mean, no boy, you know.
Fee barrel them we collect, you get back
Me want
tax
back,
return.
me want back money. Me have to find piece of money, man. See, councillor texting thing, I want back your money from councillor.
So barrel them where we get. and we pay for it. You go file back tax return. Want some of my money.
Alright, say man, we see what can go on and sit. But anyway,
Then,
we have to match up. At least you come up with free little money. So if any
Marty.
little thing,
Marty at $10,000, me just gain.
me know. It's in a man cherry me, you know. I'll feel boy wait. Me can't believe say you gone and get yourself in a them a sticky situation and all that. You fit tell him make sure saying give up some money too. And sitting. Make sure saying give up some money. All when time a Victor brother me still not like him.
I don't think man me there with yeah talk about. Me have something
Stop
to tell
play fool for catch wise for you know me they talk.
Me have something to tell you about squash.
What about him? Police lock him up.
Mm-mm.
What? Then she mean beard off my face. Then if I walk up and down with womb broom, what you think?
You see, you did a one me say me feel left him for a long time.
Long time.
But show me say me love him.
Him behave cranky. You know, sister, him behave cranky.
Right.
Always I tell B say me have to be say if something wrong with him, he ever they behave cranky.
Wish
And
me
you
dey
know
get
see that.
me wish me dey get one man like you, man, because you see
No matter
squash.
say that. Not say that.
You're
Not
not
say that.
like him.
Yeah.
What me?
I'm a B.
Yeah, but me want one man like Fear man. Because this is one when me and chat to. You get me?
You know, say you always have when I have you say 7 brothers, 7 different men and say not true. In your family, in every family, they say they always have one croft.
Yeah.
It look like fear man at the
Pick
croft.
up the croft one.
What make you have to get the croft?
And him get me him get me.
Oh, what happened with it? What?
I just from my head that hurt me. I try me I know if he said this to you, but
He get what? When get? He get what?
him
What you saying get?
me know I have to cuss. I just he get me
He get your what?
him
He get your, he say he get you. He get your,
Me
he
just
get,
a go
he
make
collect
up
your
my
partner
mind.
money? He get a partner job, what happened?
you know say I take it for a joke. Him get me pregnant. And when me talk to him about
Tremina, where you say?
he get me pregnant and me I talk to him about it and he said me not to tell you. And he a plan for me dash away.
Father God.
He said me fit dash away.
So,
But he never tell me how time out. But
wait there, hold on. Hold on there, Tremina. Right now, me, this come like me have all go fever, you tell me this. Where you say dirty boy though? Then you really, I saw you careless. I really say you careless. You're not bad safe. You're really not bad safe. But me did I tell B say you're smart and you're not smart. What happened to Femidom? Stop! You pitney?
no,
When you lay down and I take away, they take your pitney. It just me act right, man. It's sickening. Me I tell you the truth. It's sickening.
when me did I go tell her say I like I get
And boy, I can't tell if me you see that show what me you see if you that she me I go see. Me see a white time.
no, me have something to ask her.
Hello. 4:03. March 26. March 26. 4:03 p.m. Me you see if you that she today.
Me not dash away.
How would I?
And me think I did him and come, but I know him and one of his friends.
Let me tell you something. Try make sure say if I even figure up me am right banana pick coconut, he can't suffer. You hear?
I tell me.
Let me tell you something. Or go climb grapefruit tree.
He not work.
Yam grapefruit and milk.
No, listen to me and say no Murty. Me not dash you.
Make sure.
Me not dash you. Me just when go the $10,000 when me give you to help make up for go clear the barrel.
What about the $10,000?
You can't.
A thief give me?
No, me just they ask if you could have given me back like how me get pregnant to help make up by baby clothes and so.
What you just said to me a while ago tastes bitter. It tastes bitter.
No start now, innit?
Which 10,000 this? You're right, about that.
And me good. So we are gonna get money for it.
First favor when they rise and push about your one. But come on, you're not easy.
Your brother, what gonna? Start it out already?
Yeah, man. Boy, I tell you, just the timing belt did want to start out, you know.
Find that one.
Yeah, man, just the timing belt. But it's good to go, you know, man.
Alright, you
Good
want
to good.
If my man call me and tell me, say, Murty say everything good to go. So I just you for good on 3 million now and go collect the barrel. Top up, man, you good, man. Oi.
So you say barrel ready?
The barrel ready, so just go along and drive the vehicle and go collect it.
Yeah, man,
You
I
understand?
can't do that then, man.
And when I reach back, when I link me, I know what I go on.
I can't do that, man. So,
Yeah.
she have the money already?
Yeah, man, she have money, everything organized. I just you for just go and go check Cherry.
I forgot change, you know.
And start out, yeah?
Alright, my brother.
Alright, so look, come on.
Yeah,
Just show up me and keep me posted, yeah?
No problem.
Alright, cool.
I'll go just get rid of them, man. Fast, because we don't know nobody see what going on.
You better hear me tell you from I'm gonna be saying if you take out nothing from the barrel and you're not here.
Boy, you look sexy self. Because we first have to go into this.
Come. Yeah.
Good there, sir?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Be this quick and fast. And then what I hear there road.
Squash, you know, say you're not here, though.
Read what?
You're not here. Me tell you, say no take out nothing out of the barrel and you still they tell me say if you could take out sitting out of it.
Come quick. Nobody knows it. Nobody knows say barrel. Come open the gate. Come fast, man. Nobody knows it before nobody comes.
Not here. When your hungry belly family, them way you tell me boy you want to take out sitting. So give me no like your style, man. You will put me in a trouble, man. Watch out. How are you?
Man, he overpack this one, man.
You act like you walk from Montego Bay comes down here, so. Now drive, you drive.
Me want to take you out of car come
But I just from right there, so to right there, so you can't come.
Ah, boy.
So you did want me to help you lift you up?
Babes, I'm thirsty. Let's go for sitting for me drink there.
No drinks now in the fridge and go water.
Go make some water for me there. Do. You know when I talk up them here?
Yeah.
You get it yet?
Yeah, wash out the cup.
Ah, yes. Take time wash out the cup. The cup dirty, man. Here. me.
Yeah, come!
Yeah, man, take it. Not nobody rush it, you know, come, you know. Nobody that thirsty, you know.
I did I wash out the cup.
Whew. Yes. Thank you. So you couldn't put the glass tonight?
I seen there. Tap now, tap now. Not done it. No more water no left in our pipeline. A little bit of water in our pipe.
So what I gonna be with?
Hey! You see this? My granny teach me say me fi learn to conserve when me did small. Else if you feast today and famine tomorrow, you're dead for hunger. So you see the little bit of water we in this right here, so there. Look how much you drink out of it since me give you. Left some for tomorrow and we have to go bathe out of it. And we go and cook out of it. And wash plate out of it. And what that there underneath this one?
Eh.
If I never left no bag on the veranda.
No, man. I want to look bag.
Wow.
Me put on here, so.
And I barely going on.
I want to look bag. Me put on here, so, man. See your barrel lock and nice the same way, baby.
Let me see. Can you always a trick me?
No, what me a trick you for?
Alright, let me see your bag.
See in the seat, yes, sir.
I want to see a wine in your bag.
No, I'm not sitting where me did carry from.
What you mean? What you mean? Squash, what you mean?
Alright, so what you know?
Me not believe you. What you have in your bag? Eh?
Charita, you know, say me have one whole heap of hungry belly cousin up a yard.
Me name what? All of a sudden you forgot all my name. We are called Charita. You forgot. Me now say a Chermina my name. Because you have that woman named Charita.
I don't know.
So the two are with name close.
Chermina, I am very sorry. It's just the heat, I'll catch your strokes.
Yes, what now?
Yes. So, as me said, me have a whole heap of hungry belly cousin up a yard.
You have who?
A whole heap of hungry belly cousin up at the nether over me yard.
Whole heap of ugly belly cousin or hungry belly cousin.
Two of them.
So what that have to do with me?
And so we get barely of food enough sitting. So, you know, we just take out look like sitting, put it for get care go get them.
You take Jesus Christ now, me dead now. Merty kill me.
No, Merty, no.
I know I'm my sister. No, me can't go in her bar behind her back. Me have to do it in front of her. It two we a sister like.
Watch you know, if I lucky back. Come watch you make me level it off like I said, nothing no touch. Nobody know have to know say nothing no touch. Me level it off.
Squash, say God
You
knows
know
say you
what
go in
it
her
is.
bar go take out things out there about hungry belly family
I
and one.
swear I just couple mackerel, 2 pound of rice, 3 pound of flour, 10 pound of cornmeal. That's all me take out.
Do what?
2 pound of rice, 3 pound of flour, 10 pound of cornmeal.
So much sitting.
I never so much. But you know, nobody open it back. In enough. Sharmina, just see, watch it. It's a level, no come out.
You feel some sister idea?
The body go level. You see, watch it. He couldn't know say not even me. Wait, up to now, me not see nothing miss.
Look on this a big old space right here, so. Look over here, so big. You all make sugar dash up on the clothes. Them you idiot.
You know, me never get no nice sugar.
Boy, look like your hand bore one eye plastic bag them.
Watch it. Just lucky back, man. She know how to put on one lock back on it.
You know, say a trouble you put me. Beers. Every time you depend beers,
I
like
know
a
you
damn
love the hungry belly picking them too, you know. Just cool, man. Just cover it up back. Come on. Mother first, take off for some white.
You go make me and my sister have sitting. You know, say me and my sister.
not gonna have nothing.
Me and her never have nothing yet.
But she not gonna know.
What you mean, she idiot?
Yes, I mean, no, I mean.
Wait. No, you know, no. Look here. You know, it's a long time you want me to have sitting.
We have a relationship. That's all we're gonna have, baby.
Relationship?
Sharmina.
A relationship. Which one?
No,
Shit or ship?
relation, nah, shit.
Look here, let me tell you something. Just when you talk, don't diss my sister, no put her in
And nah,
You hear me I tell you? And you know, say me you can't agree for a long time, you know.
And nah, talk nothing but your sister.
You shouldn't even go in it, my youth,
Watch
and
it,
take
but
out, you know, you can't diss my sister.
You know, take time back. Nobody hear
She
what-
not here, upstairs she there. And I downstairs we there.
Well, you know how that which
I
that
cho-
I have here.
we are called which?
I mean, you know which part she stand.
You know, say you want
Me never say which. Me say you know which part she stand. You know which part she stand. She have ears all over the place. I wouldn't want her here walk one. So just keep it between her and hush hush. As me say, I save a nation, you know.
Squash. You go in a barrel and take
I
out
know,
the things them
I
without
know,
my
I
consent,
know,
then it go
say.
look like I say me and you make up
No,
and
just
do
tell her, say, no, whenever say we get it, tell him say I want, then
me
take
if you
it
tell
out.
me sister say that's how we get it.
Tell him say I want, then take it out.
Blood of Jesus, some tell like the people them a waff.
And then we're gonna then tell lie pan we.
Squash, you know say you're wicked when you lie and you're thief.
Me not, but I in front of you, me do it.
Me never want to when you take you out, don't mix me. You see, you know say you're blender. Look here. Don't put me in your blender. You is a little blender.
Charmina.
Old rusty blender. Don't put me in
Come
here.
me put in the barrel, man. Come over with
Me
me.
not help you put in nothing. See how you go in there and take out that without me no behind me back. Let me chat loud make she hear.
You want she here?
She not up there, dear man, but she did say she a go downtown in and stuff before we left.
Look which we here with. I mean, she can come back which.
The time you waste time, you say take up this and roll it going by yourself because I ain't helping you.
I saw you this day.
No, I saw me did turn. You know what? You see where you see your family them hungry?
Yes.
Take care we are keen out to do something.
But you never help me.
If it move, man, come in.
You help me.
Move!
You turn so.
It's dead.
Charmina.
Yeah, move. Sis, thank you for little food, but another me did me come out. Another me did come out at all. Me come to talk about the barrel where me go collect in a me name where I me and you. Me not understand where I go on. When me get them the little bit of sitting there, me should have get more food and more clothes and sitting.
Charmina.
What?
Charmina.
Where you say?
Me can't, if food can't even digest. You couldn't even make your food digest. When me get so cantankerous, girl. And now me go clear your barrel, you know? Are you clear your barrel, you know, Charmina? Are you clear? Listen to me, man. Listen to me, man. The things ain't share even. And honestly to God, me don't want you to come up here and tell me nothing.
Why?
But where you not get from, where you not get. Me don't want to hear nothing about the barrel.
Why?
Me and you know say, on no tamper with the barrel.
Me don't tamper with no barrel. Me tell Squash to not go in it.
How would
And he going there.
well, and they come, let me see who I call. Let me see. Hold on there. Cause this a girl. Hello? Okay, no problem. Charmina, me I tell you the honest truth. As me tell you, say, me know it's only tamper with the barrel, and me don't really want to go through this, and I did not say anything at all to you. You're too cantankerous, and you see me lift my hands to God and me tell myself, say, me ain't in a no argument, but nothing out of no barrel, because me now make barrel mash up the sisterly relationship with me I have. Charmina, don't eat the food. Go in the kitchen. Wash out the plate if you want to wash out the plate. Turn it down in the sink. And go on down your yard. Me don't want to talk about it. Me don't want to hear nothing about it. In a real life. Because me and you know say, me not dishonest. I am not dishonest. Me and you nah good on the road. But no barrel story. You see you?
Me never tamper with no barrel. I me they drive a vehicle.
Listen
a
to me.
Squash go in a hit and he nah listen to me. And check out some of my sick them saying one care go give family them. Oh me catching a hit. And he nah hear me. And you know he always they do me already and they shout off for me.
Charmina, where does see?
And me go in a barrel. And then I lie me I tell. Me a drive, he tell me if he stop a road and he take out something
I
and
just
put in
know
a
that
one
you tell
bag.
me you know me not like him. I mean nah go let it go. Me nah go
And
drop
him
it.
take out something for you,
Me
me nah go tell
nah
no
go
lie.
drop it.
And he
You could have said to me.
but me never want
You could have
to
said to
quarrel.
me. You're bitter.
True, me never want you and him to have nothing.
Me
Me just
say you're
make him
bitter.
time. Because his family them are dead for hungry. So me just say, make him go give
Shermina, you
him
are
family.
your man bitter.
Me no bitter.
Oh no, bitter!
Me no bitter, me a sugar, and you know. And his family them in carry go give. And I don't think like me and him make up and take it. And me have it down and me other eat it. Each time I go give hungry belly family them. So to me know say I want whole barrel we have me saying can't take it. And sometimes you have to learn to give people things. One good
And
difference
you?
I become me never tell you.
You
What me do?
have a heart come up here and ask me about things out of barrel and something. I think say me no know. Me tell you say God give me the gift you know what me can see through things you know. Me tell you know that already I don't know if you know so I don't know if you play with me. Uno fi know so uno know if you play with me.
Merty top from galang, so cause little stick
You
them when
understand?
take out and go give family
You
them.
see,
That
don't
I
eat
know.
the food.
Cause whole heap of something did left in a barrel. See, you could have give me more things on top of
Go on down, go on down. Pull the door and go on down. Go on down. Bitter. Pull the door and go on down. Jesus. I can't believe my own sister. I can't tell you, I can't tell you I need this. I can't do that. And Cherry Mina really have come to me with Barrel's story. And you know to God say, him and him man tamper with the barrel. You see your life go, you see your life unfair. Life unfair. But you see me go always get a beating. Because me never did have to go down there. But say nothing to her about no barrel and about no make up and do nothing with no barrel. Me never did have to do it. And out of goodness of my heart, me do it. Me never know Cherry Mina would undo me this. But you see, life teach you a lot in a many different ways. And life use all different kind of people to teach you. Murty, be smart. You're smart, Murty. Cha-cha. Me have to want, me barrel them for you. Me say, a barrel for you. A barrel for you.
Then that's when you come and deal with people over look rice and flour.
Hey.
Yes, Squash, what you say?
Yes. Oh,
You want to talk to me? Yeah, man, we can talk. But bro, my son come out of work, you know. You make it sound like... Okay, no problem, man. Something serious. Alright, no worries, no worries. We can always have a conversation. Yeah, big up yourself. Yeah, later. Squash. You don't know when I call me from.
where me when I say something serious about?
Like you want to say you want to discuss some matters what me don't know about. You don't understand him?
Listen, you know him already trying to make him get involved or get a mixed up in a nothing funny. I'm serious.
You can't get mixed up or nothing, man. Because him know...
Are your brother? I'm trying to get caught up in a nothing funny when they do. You know when you stay careless and go on already.
Can't relax himself for true, man. You
Right.
know what I'm
Me did
saying?
want to show me did want to show you come with that chucky barrel and something.
Next barrel,
Yes.
I found.
So it's on reach and something. Yes, so.
But you are going now. But you got to talk to your sister. If you can do it tomorrow, because I know so now you're kind of look tired. You got to talk to your sister and make she understand, say, you don't want she and squash go for the barrel no more. You and she go for the barrel. You understand me? I say, because we're not in the hanky panky, all them something there and people I feel like so they want more. Come and understand since the barrel come and be attention, you know.
Me realize, you know, babes, me realize, but as me say, me and Cherry me and I go in and no problem over
Exactly.
no barrel.
That me said that.
No problem over no barrel. And Cherry me and my sister, my next sister where they are foreign, Yannick where they send the barrel. You tell me say, don't worry myself. So me now worry myself. She never want send in a Cherry me name, you know. But me beg her do. Because me just no want to get caught up in a system, you know.
Me know,
You may
man.
never know where they have your name put up all about and sitting.
That's
Just
true.
in case you can't do business then pin it down.
That's
You
true.
understand? So
For real talk.
there's me just but me I'll clear up my name, you know. Me go clear up my name.
Yeah,
Me
man,
go
get
sort
everything
out it.
expunged. Because I guess I know, you see, even that now was a big misunderstanding, and it's not like say, you were in at the wrong. But you know, a system still, and people said this, people said that, the law go take it one different way. But it's alright. Just won't clear up, mama.
So me now worry myself. But that one now Sabari now where they go come, Cherry me na go Kaliki. I just say
Go with
talk
her.
to her. Me I go and me go talk to her. Me go make her know say listen. Me go come with them. Me I go in a custom. I'm not trusting people.
Yeah, exactly. We don't know what's going on yet.
You understand? And you don't know who. That's why I stay on it down low. Me we go with her in the vehicle. And then now when he get the barrel and come out, we come home.
Okay.
And me I carry barrel come here.
Yeah, so first, no Joe. Cause
The
them
barrel now got
bright
cherry
and
in my
feisty.
yard.
Me say when me hear say the barrel drop off down a fi cherry me in a yard. Me have to say no. So they really were intent to pull the barrel first and have the barrel search down there and then come up and so.
Me just wish
Jesus Christ, man.
me just wish Chermina did have somebody else. Because no feel no way when me tell her babes, squash is no good.
And my brother still me have to understand the
Babes, squash
circumstances.
is no good. And you can't find yourself get caught up with somebody where you know say they not have your back and the person that drain the energy all the time. It don't make no sense. I mean, I try to tell Chermina, say, listen. Alright, now she pregnant. Ask her, she tell her, say she feel that she wants something.
But,
And me
no, but he sound like he
listen.
excited. He tell me, you know. And he say,
Excited.
he sound excited like he must have picked me a come.
Excited.
But here when he say it, he say like say boy, Chermina can call Yannick and get more things back in the barrel. He's not excited to be a father, you know.
Oh.
He's excited to get things out of the barrel.
Oh.
I can't believe it's not dirty man.
You see
But
that
I'm a
penny
brother
there,
now.
though? I'm a niece or my nephew. Whatever may come.
Me I work for him, man.
It's son away, but it seems like he behave like a, you know, in a lapse. He behave like a handicap.
Yo, well, we still can pray for him and, you know, think about, you know, certain things which
I hope
if
you
a
pray
doctor will
over
have to go. Alright, so something for
because
God do.
this barrel where they go come, he nobody having eye on you. I'm serious.
Me not have him involved in
He
it.
nobody having eyes on this
As
barrel.
we say, go talk to Chermina from now. Tomorrow go talk to her. When you talk to her tomorrow, make sure you know what's going on. You understand? As simple as that.
I mean, know she and she got shut off from mouth and send and make him come and walk and take things out and barrel go feeding people.
No,
them.
man, no.
And I sitting there. Me not depend that. Me not depend that.
Film scheme that mash up because me confirm it, you know. You know, so I take stuff out of barrel and give some of me other people them up a line though. Terrible man, but it's alright. And me I hear me I hear punish out say them a cuss him say him what I think you come. You understand?
Okay.
But baby, no worry about that.
Okay.
Yeah, we talk about here.
Why? No, sir.
Hot little tea, give me that, please.
No,
I bet
sir.
the kind of feel too right. Sitting there going night.
Alright, Charina, me be honest with you. You see, me, right now, me kind of there one place and me there if I'm but you see the mere fact that me and your sister, me not gonna really make barrel come between me and you. You see the barrel where they come now, Charmina, me I beg you, please, no do nothing at all to mess up it. You understand? You see, first barrel come, me must say it never go well. And you make a dirty foot man go in a barrel and take out what you take out and all these things. The one in our go say in a Charmina, in our go so. So one thing me go tell you, say, matter of fact, guess what? You see the barrel where they come, me go come with you. Me I go come with you, Charmina. Me not go come in a customs there now. But me I go come up there with you. So you see as soon as I get the barrel, I'm ready to drive out. Me there in a vehicle. You hear me say? Because me nah make barrel make me and you in a no form of problem. Charmina. Me don't like you, man, and you know that.
And me I get you not like him either.
Me don't like him.
Right now, me meet one man the other day, and the man go all out for me, man, buy me present everything, and he see present in there, and they go on like I say him buy.
That is
And
it.
him a broke pocket man. Every money me get from the man carry and buy food and cook with it. He near me. Me not like them kind of man. He no provide for himself. He want me go get money from man, come look about food for him and cookie and give man in near me. A dirty man, me go left him. And me
Charmina,
mind
you
like,
need to let me know me no good girl.
but remember say me pregnant and I'm a baby
He
father.
pitney we get take care of, me no care. You make because he my baby father and he film life just stagnant so and say you make because he baby father you know make him go on, let him go on. If a niece or never me take care of him.
But me love him still.
Me no care. You know say no sense.
Me love him
You
still.
know, say no. You listen. Me even go get in your man story or no. Whatever you want to do with your life, you do it with your life. But when me tell you this, say, come on to your barrel. Me no want to touch your barrel no time at all.
Marty,
See when the barrel come, we share what we share. Me no want to hear nothing more.
You see, make me get blame, and when me and him did go, me tell him to not go in there, him do it, you know.
You put up with him.
No,
You put up with him.
No, when he go in there, me no know he go in at the barrel behind me back.
You hear me say?
But you might tell him about his hungry belly family then. Me just tell him to give them because me know me not hungry. And them hungry, make them near me.
It is said
You have
that
to
you
learn
must
to
always
share.
feed the needy. But we need it more than them. You hear me say?
Yeah,
Because I live
sister,
too
but you have to learn to
expensive.
share.
Me not share, but now with him. Him big and careless and worthless. You know, I go look work. You know, I go do nothing at all. What they me hear him in there raising vice to you. You look here, listen to me, man. If you guys tell me change, you know. And only thing me have to tell you say, you know when the barrel ready if you go for. Try not drive out left me come.
But he say he want to come with me.
Sure, me hear me say me come. Alright, tell him to come. Because me know me and him nah go away. I want in the same vehicle.
Alright.
You hear me say?
Mm-hmm.
Now make man rule you.
And he might tell me to dash
You hear
my
me
belly
say?
same way.
Dash away. You idiot. I alone have something to go talk to God about. I think I
No,
mean.
me not
Dash
me
away.
just a tell you what
You
he say.
idiot.
He say me fi dash away belly, me not dash away. Me not follow him. And me do me just give our next man one real jacket.
Yeah, what go on? Never give man a bun and cheese. I say stay. No, see me, man. They are a bunch of local work still. What go on, brother?
Now, I feel from that.
Yeah. They are line and balance or something.
Alright, you are going on. I really want to have a serious talk with you because there's a lot of things going on. Basically, Me not think you understand what you are doing. See? It's a barrel they were coming which day. See barrel coming it a cause one little animosity, and the animosity what it cause is because of how you start things and deal with things. Because Merch, you know, tell me say she want to hold you and beat you. You understand? And then, you know, based on the whole vibe of everything, it just not feel right. You understand me? I say, as a brother, what? Put on the bike one because the bike alone. As a brother.
Me just fix it up, you know.
Yeah,
See
yeah,
right
yeah.
off there.
But we money there.
Him say my circle, him say my circle.
The man just talked to me a while ago. Where the money?
Me have it, man.
Where money there? Have it which way you have the money?
Put in a jar.
You do Nigeria?
Yeah.
Alright. So before we talk about that. Me I get to understand say few people them when you claim say you have stuff to get out of the barrel one of few them pay you.
Yeah,
Pay you for send things in a barrel. So I really want to know how that work out.
yeah. Nah, man. Nobody
Nah,
no
man.
pay me no. No, man. Out of the generosity of the goodwill of our heart, man.
Angel, Susie Pitney come out the yard, you know. Susie Pitney come out the yard and want more grocery out of the barrel. So how that work out? Hmm? Squash. Me no
Me I,
want
well, me drink.
drink your water, man, and cool out. But me I tell you this. Me no want if you reach one point where police and something involved because me no want my murder to get in trouble with you, you know. You understand me I say and then all these things. So me have to go call the cops and the cops and deal with it.
Wait, I got this so far. I just look at
Because
sitting come out of barrel.
your ex-start family members I tell them say yeah get barrel like a fear but if you start talking about barrel you know, the way you get so excited.
But the for fun, then for we had it, I got them family. I mean, your feet.
A family barrel but guess what now? I know that the kind of family them. And just because for your sister, for your wife, sister, for me woman, a sister and them I say boy them are deal a little thing outside of everything to make life easier.
But
no, yeah, make it barrel come in a relationship and mash up everything.
at them I take it to heart. I mean, I said 1-2 item, couple mackerel,
You
couple.
going, yeah man, I go 1-2 items. You're going in the barrel and take out this amount of barrel like a few barrel.
Big man, the barrel forward.
How much money Susie give for send for things in the barrel? How much money?
She give me a little thing, man. Watch you now. I don't nothing serious, brother. Car.
So she give you a little things. You confess that she give you a little thing. Squash, you can't deal with so. You can't deal with things so.
And she shouldn't talk about it.
Why now one second barrel come? See? And then don't want you to go pick up it. They don't want you have no affiliation with it. Nothing at all.
But if they not me go pick it up,
No.
it a go cost them a whole heap of money. But
no.
but a waste of time, that brother. You have to talk to them, brother. You have to make them know, say, oh, them can't afford to spend so much money. Cause when you pet, you have to buy the driver. You have to buy the driver food, and you have to go put gas in that vehicle. Plus, you have to pay for your driver time.
I feel woman I go drive. You must say she have a license, you know. And maybe she'll drive few
Too far. What?
What you mean say what?
Then I'm for use my vehicle go pick up things. I mean, if involved. No, man.
The only way you involved is because you might yam some of the food them will come in their barrel in your house. And the only way you might get involved.
That no look right.
Barrel, nah, come up a few yard first. Me can't be still. You get with barrel and you put in a few house like a few barrel. Upstairs the barrel if you go.
Big man. I want me to go carry it upstairs.
When me say why you call for help.
Me never see nobody. Somebody take you and put it downstairs. So what I can't understand. They look sitting when me take up. Come on, man.
When you take, say admit say you do something wrong.
That's not nothing wrong. How that me not understand? How do you know make them something I be contention, you know? A simple look what you say, you know? Cause look at food. Look at food for look at hungry people. And I take them make it thing look like I say, so I the whole barrel me take.
Go on here, my man. Go on here. Get the money. The man just talked to me a while ago saying get the money. Get the money if you give me. I seen drive off there. Find him ride off the bike, you know, so all is well. And you're loading him starting bike. Eh? Take your time, go on. And if you don't have the money, don't come back until you find the money.
So how much money me for you? How much money him tell you?
I mean so much money tell you. A $7,000 in gift to you. I'm gonna give you one more time. So in total, bring the $6,000 come.
So I mean fix up your bike and I want me I get.
Yeah, because normally I say you go. And I say you go.
Yes. Extortion thing I go on this thing. I start I want place everything. I go for your money, you know, brother. I say we are family. I make barrel, I mash up with life and woman I come in between, man. Cheers, Nina, baby. Oi! Almost all drop. Hey, hot like the sun. What you just had?
My foot and hurt me, you come and hold on for my foot.
Stop going to man.
From morning, I wake and I feel sick.
Yeah?
You come and you say I feel sick. You must know your woman. You know and say if me did alright, me wouldn't look like this when you come. You come, you not even say what to your babe, so you look, so you feel sick or what you eat from morning. No, what kind of man you be? That's why I plan to leave you, know. I see my sister say me feel left you. The worst out, and me tell you something if you never know. You say me not to tell my sister about you, they tell me to dash your belly, but me tell her.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Babes, then the
See,
your business.
I run water. And you want to tell me it's not even little eye water. You know, see, I come out of my eye, if you say, babe, want to you, a ball of the ball, you fret over me. Me not give no about nothing at all. For me, you know, like you're concerned. Nothing. If me sick or nothing, you come home do, but you won't tell me, say, you want something for me. That's all you want me to do. Cook for you,
No.
wash for you, and clean for you. You're lucky.
Babes, I know nothing like that. I left sitting and I end up I come back feet and I see you some things here because out in a house hot, you come out so easy.
So I cannot buy AC, give me. Why you not buy a fan? You see, I not have no fan and I not have no AC. If I not come out the door, I not get little fresh air. You have me night, they kill me with heat. And you they use candle. You need to buy more lamp. Touch lamp too. I tell you the old ghetto style. You have me on that. Chicken back and roast breadfruit.
I soon buy the fan. Oh, but when that we just start the relationship, you did love the chicken back.
Water come out of me, you make me feel sick.
I don't like this.
And you make me feel sick because when you sleep with me and not sleep with me and they can me and gone a bar and gone with you.
Me no go no bar, I work me there.
So you me did that fret pan and me catch cold.
I work me there, baby. Watch you know me have a deadline for fix 2 bike and I swear to you, as soon as me done fix the bike, we are go fit.
So you don't realize that you sleep out, me sick and flu. Yeah? Me catch cold, me have fever, come in and think about your whole night, you give me fever.
Oh.
You give me fever.
Oh, that drop it.
He drop in. You give me fever, I add up.
Sharina.
2 and 2 and 9.
You're messing up, man.
2 and 2 is 9. It add up. If you ever tell me say 2 and 2 make 4, I'm your one thump in your belly, because you can't read. Me brighter than you, 2 and 2 is 9. Every minute you can't tell about 2 and 2 and 4, you're damn fool.
You know, so I feel if you left me for true.
Yes, I want to left you because you don't deserve
I feel if you left me for true, you know.
Yeah, because me I wash your dirty stinking clothes them. Every minute you gone on road and they look girl in at them. And me wash them. Look how you make me fingernail them in your mouth.
It's not
you. Can't
you.
even send me go one nail take go do my fingernail and my eyebrow. Not even my ear you can't do. And my sister
So,
give me money. Oh, I know you nobody chat about so who.
So the money when me give away, where do you look money when me give?
What you mean? We don't go trust the people them sitting at the shop much in one pound straight and then you want me clear the bill because we have to go back and trust again. Eh? You look at what this man when me take up about you come breathe. Me you're damn stupid. And me an idiot to come make you. Actually me never know say when go do it, you know. And me not believe in that your belly.
But me tell you something did that come.
You did that come? Well me need to go nowhere. You want when they come. Oh Tada. I just through God say we no fit dash your belly me not do it. Cause you no deserve no pick me from me. You no believe you no believe in yourself.
So me a good father.
But
me supposed to be a good father.
Then if you not feed me, you not clothe me, you not take care of me.
But you know me pitney.
You go take care of me pitney. Will you put in for me fallopian too?
You want me to feed you, you want me to clothe you, you want me to take care of you, you want me to put...
Well you just said, so you know me man. Are your responsibility to take care of me? You is my man. Oh, me no there. Wait, hold on. You realize what you just said to me? So me no there. We left.
No,
we there. Invisible left. I mean, I know. You have to make me know about it.
We there, but you say you go left.
You know what?
You say 9 and 4.
You know say you come? You know?
Me never sure, no.
Where's the talk to me?
Number
one you know so my sister don't like you. Merty don't like you no at all.
Okay, no.
And you drunk crow. You big foot boy, you dirty foot boy when me take on turn in a smaddy. Come make me sister they blame me. If you take out sitting out of barrel and me tell you say your name for what you tell me where you hungry belly people. But everything good.
So you still argue about that?
My sister say one next barrel go come. I mean, if you tell about it, but me they tell you because me not be the business with you. You can't tell me say I come this time and I'm me and her alone I go feed. You're not
So
coming.
who go drive?
You ain't coming nowhere.
So who
with
go
us.
drive and who have vehicle who go drive?
That's not your business. Me and my sister will find the money. Who did find the money the last time and make up together? Me and my sister. You did give any?
If you clear it, I only never pay me if you go for it.
Yeah.
So
now we buy gas and everything and get car.
and
You
my
know say I
vehicle.
that for you?
And my vehicle.
You see food or you see me cooking this one? The chicken back where you left in there.
It
And the
cook.
where you look for? The chicken back. Me curry it with some roast bread food. And when you come in, no look for none. Final. That is the last thing I have to say to you because it's a big fool. You damn idiot. Go ahead and go bed. Are you me and smell something to come there so?
Evelyn.
Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, darling. Hey, what me can help you now? What me
And my mother sent me up here because some things are squash it and can't give it enough, and we are give squash money and sitting now we not get all of them, so I did my mother send me for.
What you mean all of them? You know, wait, me not understand. This sounds strange to me in terms of what you talk about. Something.
Like the things that me come out of barrel, we did get more things and we don't get them. So them me come for.
Hold on there. Hold on. So you mean for tell me say, after me call America, tell me sister fi pack barrel, send come here for me and Cherry Mina and for your people squash. Take out the things them can't come down, they can't go no. Uno they go tell me say uno not get enough.
We did give money so them me come for we not get enough.
What you say?
We give money for some things, they fi buy some things and we not get them. So them we come for.
Who send up here? Your auntie, who send up here?
My mother send me up here. How much time you say it? My mother send me.
I wish if I did she come. I wish if I did she come, because I look bad for my hot look water choke on you. And your mother should have come up here to me today. Me not have nothing for go nobody. Me not have nothing for go no. Listen to me. Squash not contribute nothing to that the barrel there. And me send money go up there. A matter of fact, in majority of things that were in the barrel, and my sister hard earning money when you was buy the things them, pack the barrel, and send them come.
So the money where we get.
Hey, quiet. You only contribute what my sister Cherry Mina contribute. You see? I feel clear the barrel. Nobody else can contribute. No, not even for me, man. You hear me say? What kind of contribution?
We give money.
They no go and go ask him back for money because he no come give nobody no money. I mean, I take no money. You see me walk a collection. Listen to me. A trick uno. So uno and him we have you out. The only thing me can do for uno today, you see? I'm going to question them to look up in here. And you see anyhow they pass the test, I'll give them look something to eat. And give them
They
one
look
drinks.
hungry to you.
You say to me, and give them one drinks. You not get nothing for them. White squall lick for your mouth. Hello. Hi.
Hi.
What is your name? Determine. Come closer, darling. What is your name? What is your name? How old are you? You're 3 years old? Okay. What's the name of your school? What school do you go to? What is the name of your school? Huh? Higher Heights Academy? Oh.
You're brilliant. You can't spell bread. You come here dressed up in a long braid and sing. You know how to spell bread?
Them I must know how to spell bread.
You cannot spell
Sure.
bread. You look up in it, she a 3, she a 8, and sitting and look how they look brilliant.
Listen
You
to
go
me,
and
me
come
not
up here with
have
your dirty
time
food.
for waste. It's either you go give me
Me not giving you nothing. So you
Come
feel
on,
easy.
yeah, ma. Count the days, you know. Count the days. Remember, say me know where you live. Count the
Wow.
days. Come on.
One.
Come on,
Pretty not
baby.
easy. Bye, pretty girl. Bye, pretty girl. Oh, that I'm bright. We didn't look out of ourselves. We can't believe all of this. Eh? We didn't look out of ourselves.
I want
Tell
no.
me now. Tell me.
Wait
Tell
till
me
there.
now.
Wait till there.
I can't believe this.
Believe what I want. Babe, I want Murty, I want.
Babe, listen. You done asked me about tea. I go out the door a while ago. I go with the intention to make it tea. Put on the water.
Out the door.
Whole ice. No, out the door, be in the kitchen, me there.
Okay.
And he sitting turn over and me take up a map and dry out the place. And by the time he open up the door, he go put the map out the door. If you ever know who me walk up out the door, they walk come in the yard.
Who, Squash? Who?
Your people them.
What mean people
Your
them?
people them. You don't know it tall black coolie one the way film mama.
Oh, for me niece?
Look at them. Yes.
For me 3 niece them?
One of them named Determined.
And
And one next little one. That 3 year old.
the big one named Angel.
Aria. Angel is big one name.
So
Jesus.
you know Angel?
Me know Angel, me remember name.
So,
Me say, if you ever know me blood a boil right now.
I mean, I wonder why you're so irritable. You
Say
can't
how
even
they come fit grocery. Say squash. I
talk.
say,
A supermarket up here, sir?
the little girl say squash, say him mother send him for the rest of things then because you sitting there with squash and send them the work you can't give them. You know enough and how them did give squash money.
What?
To make up for put things in a barrel.
How what they bump and scout you
see.
tell me?
You see? That's the I know that's why. That's why me I tell you say.
Well on there.
People fi always keep their mouth shut.
Hold on, me call her,
You hear me say?
hold on, me call my sister. Hold
You
on.
hear me say? And then look at girl how face yourself with me. How talk about swear you look at it two, look at one we are 3 and one we are 8. Area and determined. Then no somebody no come me question them down there no.
Hold on.
All the good thing we have to say about them the two there.
Hold on,
Them brilliant.
me have Susie on the line. Hey, Susie. Susie. You really tell me say you send your pit them come up here for money for grocery.
And she send them.
So hold on. So you send your pit them come up here for grocery. And yeah, me if you tell me say squash when give you money for put it in the barrel. What kind of mix up when you go on down there, Susie? Susie.
You no answer, no one answer. I know I send them, but a she me want come up here.
Susie.
Susie, are you fi come?
Susie.
Are you fi come up here, Susie?
Susie, hello? Hello?
Send them out what is wrong with
When-
her. She send them.
It's
And
alright.
then I go on like I saw we can't tangle her. So you send them, but Susie, you fi come. Let me have to go water throw upon you. And you fi come. Uno bribe. Let me tell you something. Uno go and go collect your money. The money wanna get squash. Go and go collect it from Squash. Squash did not give us any money.
Exactly.
And my sister send barrel come here. Me take care of myself. And for me give my sister little things. Look sitting out her barrel. And Squash
Yeah.
top a road and take everything out her barrel. Can't go no. Can't go if you feel no hungry belly. You must stop it.
Susie, are you really that going, Susie?
Out her damn bright.
Susie, quiet on the phone and Susie, have a
Hang
mouth
up your
more.
phone, B. Hang up your phone.
Hang
Hang up your phone. Hang up your phone.
When me say they know about that, so you send them come up here then you know about that. So who send them come up here then? Susie?
Aria, the meat. Aria, determined. And Angel.
See how
And
you must say
Shelley
later.
come up here. When we talk about later.
Can't believe
And
it's
she
so
fi
money.
come. And she
Jesus.
fi
I
come.
can't, no, right now I can't believe my brother. I can't believe my brother right now. My brother really, really and truly have the audacity if you want to extort me again. But you see that when you get yourself a problem in the first place, you know. And me I try to help him, forgive him little things. And I see it him come extort we now in one family.
I know
Because
you
of
can't
what?
believe. And then look,
Eh?
the one in here, Angeline, bright. You out there. She out there because she full of attitude. She full of attitude. She well full of attitude. Let me tell her something. You see that barrel where they come? That barrel where they come,
Can't
me
be
I tell
barrel
her
cause
say.
problem.
And when you see when Charmina go collect the barrel, me they carry come here and the barrel now pull. The barrel now pull.
Babe, give me a
The
little
barrel
tea.
now
Yo,
pull.
give me a little tea. Because this
Me I tell her the truth, you me feel
Jesus
not even
Christ,
little
man.
tea me can't make.
Make it tea for
The
me,
way I
man.
feel.
And I'm inside.
Even tea me no want make.
Jesus Christ. No, sir.
They may beat me up.
No, sir.
They may beat me up. Me say.
You don't hurt me, no?
Me not say nothing. Me not say nothing. Me must. Me you see, me must. And when me say must, me must sit squash. By the time a week fi done, me have to see him. Me have to see him. By the time a week fi done. Me I tell her that.
Make it a good tea
B,
for me. No worries.
tell you.
No, listen, me will deal,
see,
man.
you see.
Babe, me will deal with it.
You see, sometime in a life, you fi know a family where they going.
Babe, me deal with it, man.
Before
Me
you
deal
go
with it.
in and eat.
No, what you talk about now? Just left it
You know
alone.
a family where they going
Babe,
now.
just no bother with me,
Before
you know.
you go in and
But no
eat.
matter bother with me, you get no problem now with no family situation. And me, I deal with this thing. See? We get now, you know, if we get another part there, it go cause problem. Just left it alone, man. Give me tea.
Yeah,
I go feel tea then, you understand?
What thing you come out over? Achana, put some more food in this one.
Me. Squash. Imagine. A little bit of food in a pot where you fi share for me and you. You share out the whole light and sit down out on the veranda and eat off you and not give me none. And then they come tell me if you put you left any food in the pot. Answer me.
So me can't get no more?
Out of what?
Alright, see.
You're greedy. Me is not your servant. Me is only your woman. And let me tell you something. You figure look at work. Me tired of you.
So me
Me
not
sister-
have work.
Me work where? That I work.
Me fix bike and bicycle.
But when you get the money, where you do with it? Rum bar you there? Club? Eh?
I don't know rum bar. Yeah,
Hello.
I don't know.
You see that food the way just now? Is my sister give me money and me take it buy food.
I know what
You
barrel
should
I sit
be-
come from.
Which barrel? You should be even come with your old idiot self and come yam none. Can you never provide nothing in here? Look from morning, me tell you say. Me buy little coconut from the woman down the road. Miss Grant. Come here always buy coconut from her and sell back for me go and little money to pay bills them. And imagine the coconut then out of from man, you go and come back and come yam. And now you not do nothing and then they ask you more food. Squash. Me tell you, I'm not telling lie. No wonder why my sister tell me to leave you alone. Make you go along boy your business.
Stop raising your blood pressure, no?
Oh. My
You're
sister
not
tell
pregnant
me, say,
again.
yeah. My sister tell me, say, me not fit in and nothing with you. Because she will help me mind the fitness. You can go on.
Are your sister and you there?
Me don't
Eh?
care. Yes.
Is your sister and you are grind?
How so? What about that? That
It's
right
me
there?
and you sleeping.
So, but we only sleeping. You're not do
Oh,
nothing.
your sister can't rub down your belly.
Belly.
Eh? Who
If
make
you-
you go, I mean,
Squash and no say me notice one that they say look like you're gone pan drugs. That be a foolishness you tell me. You want to tell me say you uncle know how to put one baby in one woman belly and know if you work for go money?
so me now wait till him come.
Jesus Christ.
And then me and him go look work together.
Get up. Go on and go put down your plate and make sure you wash it. Come here and your servant.
Can't get up yet, man.
Me don't
Wait,
want
man.
hear nothing more from you. I see coconut then make sure you say
See.
before night come you take them up and go sell them.
Okay, no,
I
no.
need some money to pay the bills. You just want to come in and come them like I said. Me and you. Eh?
You're my woman.
And you use me like me your maid.
No, but so if you wash on one plate?
I me always wash them. You just name out tight and me did wash them before me cook. Now you name out there you must can wash it 5 in one plate.
You know how you move like? You move like,
Like
your
who?
sister. Merty.
The
Yeah,
two
man.
you said man said but sorry for you.
You're
You
moving
love.
like you look a sister.
Get up
You
and
look You look
You
a
know,
dry
say you
head.
always a cause some problem. Me say if you go and go put down your plate, me know no more talking. Get up and
Me
go,
just eat. Relax yourself now.
go on, go put down your plate. Get up, see them, me open the door, go on in. To make sure it's a later you sell them coconut there. Because I want the money to pay a bill. And a matter of fact, my sister called me to talk to me and it sound like it's important. So make sure say, by the time if you come back, you wash out the plate and sell the coconut them and I want the money, don't use it. I'm serious.
I don't understand when me call her back because I don't know how she dey take so long. I don't understand how she takes so long to come. Hello?
Jesus Christ.
Charmina, a wrong number me call to you. Now what is? Oh, me just take all the phone and come in and know how you text so long.
Left it on charge. You call me for?
So what do your face make your face look so?
Me just come right next and buck me to a man and then
Charmina fix your face, man. Look who buck to her.
no, my head a hurt.
The amount of things you go through in your life, you're not supposed to buck your toe on your face it so. Relax, man. Alright, so you want to know, guess what me call you about? Because the people didn't call me over WAF and tell me say the barrel come. You see how far me call you? Because me no want, me not call you, make sure so me call you away from everybody. Because me no want your man today and here.
Girl, come here, stop hurting.
Awesome. So listen now. Make sure say me come with ID and something, then think of you them a talk to. So, me I make sure tell us say. You pay attention to me, Charmina, you listen what me I tell us say.
Yes. Yeah, here, man.
Carry your ID. Make sure say you carry, walk with your ID and you're tearing everything where you need and carry one pen. And if you know, but me have 2 bags up there and because you know say they won't tell us as you know, more tell us take out things out of your barrel for check. And more when you take things out of your barrel and you check then can pack it back good.
Me know.
So you take it sitting there and you put it in that bag there. Me I come in there in a vehicle, you know. Me go over there but me just now go come in a custom with you. Cause you know for my story go already.
Okay.
So me they call you to tell you. Saddle up yourself tomorrow morning. And look here, me they left from 5:30. In the morning. Yes, because when you go over there you full up and sit and I want to come back early.
Okay.
You understand? So if I want to come back and pack out, me they pack out and sit and make sure I say me can done in time to go to my bed early. You understand?
Alright.
So make sure I say you jet up yourself, get yourself active.
Now
You understand? I'm morning early.
And that alone is all about. You don't have no money can give me because I'm kind of hungry and I want to stop and buy something for the road. You know, so I don't have no money and you may depend on it.
Me will buy something for it.
Alright.
Me will buy something for
I
it.
want ice cream, I want
I know you may do it for no eye pitney.
and black forest cake. Anyway,
Your choice too high, Charmina. I mean, I have a black forest cake. You're going to get the ice cream and you're going to get the food and we go home. You hear me say?
alright. I wish when we go for barrel, I wish party barrel they go upstairs or downstairs. Down at my yard or up at your yard. Every time we have to come up at your yard.
Charmina, the question is not relevant.
What pass it?
It's not relevant because, listen to me. The last time you go for the barrel, you know, you and your man you make up together and take out everything out of the barrel. Listen to me. All if nobody know if you carry the barrel go upstairs, me tie one piece of rope, panny, and pull it through the window upstairs. Look at how me how did they go. When me say me don't talk. When me say before say I call Jake, I make Jake come roll the barrel go upstairs. I make him one pack of rice.
You still a believe.
You hear me say?
Me and say, you know, trust me, you still a believe say me and him take out
You
things
hear
out
me
of
say?
barrel.
You hear me say?
I don't know me, I hear
Just done his story. Done the barrel story now. It is well said and done. Up on my yard it they go.
Up in your yard is a go?
Up on my yard it they go.
My head start to run
Done
back
deal.
again.
Come, if your head want hot you, try not make your blood vessel bust in your head. For me tell you say me a whole heap of clothes to wear go funeral. Come let me go get you the food and the ice cream. You two look a bit enough.
You see how long me gone? You see how long me take to
Yo.
come back?
Yo, watch you now.
No, so I you see me they come make you come cut the coconut like some little pitney.
Me can't do this. This hard. Never cut out for this.
Okay. Hello.
No food now gonna yam if that are the case.
Alright. Remember say you love your belly. Cream dog. Wanga goat.
No business
Broke
you
walk,
want to say.
listen what me I say. Remember say you love your belly and you more than me. Look on you too.
It don't have nothing to do with no bigness.
You're greedy.
You're this
and
cat.
you always want food. Me not want hear nothing from you.
Me
Okay,
always want
fine.
food.
Argument done. Me not force if you cut down coconut. Me not force if you sell down coconut. More than me just get a next man in my life and anything what I want him to do for me, he can do it. Simple. Normal free. Me not ask. Don't touch me.
Before you go there, the same thing when they say like I go food for me want food. I always love food. So I'm to the barrel business.
Barrel? It come like I
Me
said.
not hear you say nothing more. Me know that you go link your sister
You're
about
genie in
you know.
my buckle. You turn up and they listen when me and my sister they talk of we are have me go talk to my sister. Eh? Well, let me tell you something. You see that barrel there? You better take care of your mind. Because not even the soap you not get it name like a hog or hog name soap. You not get it. You're a wicked and devious, evilous man. Me no know, Lord Jesus.
Just go and go start at the bar. Alright, me turn out two sitting there.
Yeah, because you want to sit down time, barrel. Sorry to you, you're low.
Me with Oxford sitting there, man. Just deal with it, barrel. Jesus Christ.
Pirate. Idiot.
Hello? What going on, Susie? No, watch out. Hold on. Yeah, man, me know say you did forget. Me know say you did forget sitting more, man. Me understand. But hear me I say, the next barrel that come soon. It depend the wharf. Yeah, man, it depend it way. It soon come, man. Watch out now. Me I go make sure say me put in the rest of the thing them in a package and ensure say you get it. But watch out, you have to take time to. And nobody send back the picnic then come down at the yard. Me tell you say me I go carry you sitting them come, man. What is wrong with you? Sure. Just easy, man. Me don't know what you say. So look how much sitting you get the last time. Watch out now. And me I go want a little bit. Watch out now. Me I go want a little bit more money, you know. Cause you don't know, say me I go put some new soap in this thing. I put 2 more Irish Spring on it, 2 more Dove, and 2 more them soap there, yeah? Yeah, man. I go put look shampoo and condition, cause I know your head want wash. Yes, man. Now watch your face. And the pitney them, I go make sure say I put 2 drawers in it for them from can wear. Me I go set them up, man. Enough rice too, yes. This time the flour not gonna have no weeble. Sorry about the last one. Sorry, no, just cool out, watch you now. I'm probably wrong when you get, but hush. Here what? Me I go fix it, me I go sort it out, here? But don't call me back them time, yeah, man. Wait, man, by next week, me ensure say you get this sitting. Cool? Alright. Susie, Susie, alright, no, man. Jesus Christ. Susie. Alright. Later. Jesus Christ, Sure, Mina.
Come on, man. Come in and understand. Me call you and me tell you say, me from yesterday me tell you say, me want to go pick up the barrel from 5:30 Termina. And you left coming down and say you want your pay bill. You never know say you want pay bill for top and pay bill from yesterday. Me don't understand. So you going late to go to heaven, Termina? You can't do that, man. You can't so tardy, man. Don't make it happen again. Put on your seatbelt. I mean, I drive off and you not put on it.
Me tell you say me bill me I go pay and me don't feel good neither.
Come here, call you from morning. Look how long me they call your phone. Look at the time now.
If I never mind me come in
No,
here, no
sir.
God knows say me not gonna with you. Your love costs too much.
You don't understand.
Babes, where are you? We need to reach home right now because we reach home and he buried there and said we need help today. Charmaine and I feel good. So she gonna lay down and she give her something.
Hello. Me come be sitting there, me Susie send me for me in here say Barrel come, so I did me come for.
Babes, you hear that? Look here. So where did make heart attack you now?
Come now, miss, in your hat, you know. Me come for something that my mother send me for. Hurry up now, man. Not time to waste,
Hi,
you know.
hi. Lower your voice. How you reach in my bedroom?
You do a pull so me walk in. You look, you never want gunman come in and come shoot you.
I feel your place. I feel your place.
Come on, me not attack.
Hi, lower your voice. I feel your place.
So me attack.
Me go ask, so me go close my eyes. And you see by the time me open up my eye, them you know for the in front of me stand up. None at all. Hi, do me I beg you. Me no know if you still turn up this so. I look at me, but me I beg you spin your roll and turn so. And when you go to lock the door behind you. Oh no, bright. Oh no, careless. Oh no. Hey!
My mother left money up here, you know.
You still there? Okay.
My mother left money up here.
So you're a bad girl. You still there?
Just because me not time to waste.
Me didn't know you would have moved. Me never know you would have left. But then people are outer than bright door. God, may I beg you please. Do not take me back where I'm coming from, God. The last person when me got caught with tell lie pa me say, me broken hand and fracture neck. God, please, do not put me back at that place. God, me ask and me pray to you multiple times to humble me. And you see the temptation they come my way, God. God, you see the temptation that come my way, God. Me call. No, Sam. He need to hurry up and reach home now. What really did take place? What kind of mistake me make sense go ask my sister to send Barrel come here? No, man. No.
Yes, miss.
Yes,
Come tell me what you say wrong with your vehicle here now.
Yeah, man. I was
Yes,
just
sir,
getting ready to go to the beach, and all of a sudden, the AC is not working. The lamp is burning inside, and
Nothing not going?
no, it's not working at all. So I'm not getting no cold air, alone hot air.
You know the problem, you know?
You know the problem?
Yeah, man, I know exactly what is your problem, man.
Tell
Good
me.
thing you come to me, you know.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, man, I can fix this.
You
so watch
sure?
this now. I got to take out two of the fuse them out of the fuse box because clearly I two of the fuse them blow where sort out the AC and the AC want to look at gas. So I got to take it out and I got to gas it for you and then put in two new fuse, light working, AC working. I can go to the beach quick and fast.
Yeah, but what that going to cost now? What all of that?
No, charge you much, you know. See, just watch you now. Alright, so for pull the bonnet alone, you don't know $2,000.
Okay.
And then for give you my expertise advice, I want another $2,000 that. And then now for put in the AC, because AC are expensive business, you know, so you know $5,000.
For your advice.
Me hit $2,000.
It's 2,000.
Yeah, man, a cheap.
Yeah, but we can't make a better deal than that.
So,
because me no pay so much, man. You won't kill me, man.
no, man, a simple man, this man. Watch you now. They must say them something dear in me.
Yeah, but I pay for that myself, so did you just have to put it in?
Alright, here we go. Give me a thing. Different from the pay. I'm going to start it out quick and fast. So,
That's a deal.
alright.
That's a deal, okay?
Just
You gonna
me.
shake on that?
Yeah, man,
Okay,
no, man.
man,
Big up
thanks.
yourself, man. So you can
Okay.
go and go sit down and
Thanks.
thing. Yeah. Think I go and make a nice look of food off of this. I get all of that money there. That's sad mistake. Jesus Christ.
You.
What me
Hey,
do? We had done for?
you.
What me do?
I feel like I would have bust your face with this. You. Me have someone. Me barrel them for you. Me say, a barrel for you.
For we-
A barrel for you.
Then I son to come and deal with people over look at rice and flour.
Hey, come here.
You don't have to deal with me, sir.
You say you. You say if me never have witness that so. Bust your hey. I bust your face.
What you bust me face for? What, look at rice and flour you go cause contention over. And this you want to go to jail for? Rice and flour? Come on, man, Murty, man. You don't have to do them same thing, them, man.
Listen to me. Listen to what me I tell you say now. You see me barrel them and I feel them. You walk and you make all kind of promises to people. And you go down to your sister yard and you go take money from your sister pertaining to me barrel. You did give me cash. You give me money. You see if I did a me man boy, I poison you. Me say if you did a me man boy, I poison you.
You have to tell my brother say you want poison him, you know.
Listen to me. Me did tell you so. Me did tell you.
No.
Me bust your throat.
You never tell me so.
Me bust your
You
throat.
never tell me so for true. You never tell me so.
Listen to me
I
now.
idiot, me idiot.
I mean, I make sure that me come to you because I'm sick and tired of you. Your careless niece. Your sister Pitney when you have down a yard. Left come on my yard. Say in comfy things. Let me tell her something.
You never tell him to do that.
Oi! Let me tell her something. Me want you go to them. Any money you take from them, make sure you give it back to them. And any promise you make to them, you go find things and give to them. Me no want none of them come back on my yard. And me go make sure say me tell B say listen. Me tell him already, you know. And he say I go fix it, you know. He say him I go fix it. And last night me in my room. As me come so with the barrel. You look at my foot niece where your sister had on there. Come straight in my bedroom like you want to come bad me up. You don't know who me be. Me ask you one question. You not tell them who me be.
Me know.
You not tell them who me be.
Me know.
Hey boy,
You see,
listen to me.
me know who you mean.
Listen to me.
Me a listen.
I don't want to lick out your teeth.
We don't want no naughty.
I'm dead serious when me tell you say me. Hey, when me tell you say me serious, me dead serious.
Me feel it say you're serious. Me feel it say you're serious. You don't have to deal with
Make it be the last time. You know me not like you. You know me and you is no friend.
I know.
And I last time me wanna in general.
But me talk about your good.
You hear me say? You don't have to talk about me, no mention my name, none at all. And me tell you say, you back keep people them their money. No, my barrel is not yours. I not for you. My barrel I not for you. You hear me say? You hear me say though? And you see next time I come to you, I feel like me I come to you, come drape you up. You hear me say?
Me hear what you say, Marty.
And
Me
me
hear what
do-
you say.
You hear me say though?
Me hear what you say, Marty.
Feel like a chattings me the pan. You feel like a chattings me the pan, boy? You feel like a chattings me the pan? Me call this a woman and never sit down here and see what me deal with her today. So me don't want no witness. Hey, you never see nothing, you know. You hear that? You never see nothing. Tell her that.
I don't have weapon in a hand, man. I saw no going like a bad man. I don't have a weapon. You never see that. But I watch her here, mommy. I saw them say, that's me making just go on, like, you know? I mean, you run this, you know? Yeah, mommy. May I fix you up, man. You're good.